Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace multiple PDF pages add-ons using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Home option. Now select Paste Thumbnail option. Also increase this Paste Thumbnail display bar. Now select Organize option and select here Replace Pages. And I will replace 5 number and 6 number pages. Select here is 5 to 6. And select a full replace. Entire page will be replaced with new one. And select your forum file. Also you can open and document and browse for folder and replace this one for these two pages. Now select open and select OK and see this. This page now replaces for these two pages. Also replace for these 3 and 4 number pages. Select replace and I select 3 to 4 and again select open. So now select open and OK and see this page also replaces by this page. In this way you can replace multiple pages at once. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.